Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean up and reset your network adapter in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Now I'm currently working on the Windows 10 computer here, guys, and in order to clean up and reset your network you want to go ahead and first start with the following. So go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard or your taskbar, and you simply want to type in CMD. Once this comes up, you want to right click and run this as administrator. By simply right clicking run as admin, you'll get a pop-up. Just simply go ahead and click on yes, and this will open up your command prompt for you. Now here all you have to do is type the following commands that I'm going to share with you here. So simple type in net sh space int space IP, simple type reset. So net sh space int space IP space reset. Go ahead and do that. Now what this is going to do is going to do a quick reset there for you, as you can see there. Now you want to type in the second command. So simple type in ipconfig space / release. So go ahead and type that in and you will release right there. And the next thing that you want to do is simple go ahead and type the same ipconfig, but instead of release you type renew and it enter there, and it's going to go ahead and renew IPs for you right there. That's going to bring back your internet connection for you, and you will see that all is set up. Once that is done, you'll have IP addresses and all those good stuff there, subnet mask, default gateway, and all of that good stuff there. Now next thing that you want to do, close that window here, and once you close that, simply click the Windows key on your keyboard or your taskbar again, and it's simple, type in network reset. Go ahead and open up that network reset. And once this up here, go ahead and click on reset now and simply click on yes. This is going to reset your network for you, and it will give you an option pop up that says that your computer will be restarted within 5 minutes, and you can go ahead and click on close. What you can do to force this, guys, is to restart your computer by yourself so you don't have to wait. So I'm going to go ahead and restart my computer, and once the computer is going to be back up and running again, I know that this will be reset fully. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.